Good afternoon to one and all. So, in the previous lecture of advanced technical training in the electrical circuit, so we have started the point, we have started the point is that a transient analysis, or it may be transient behavior of the network. In that, we have already discussed about some of the initial condition and a final condition of the network. So we have already discussed this initial condition and final condition with the help of a network element like resistor, inductor and capacitor. If the element like inductor and capacitor, it will contain it will be present in the circuit, then the behavior of the network, it will be changes. So behavior of the network is nothing but the output response of the network, it will be changes if there are inductor and capacitor like energy storage element, it will be present. Okay, so behavior or the output response in the form of voltage response, or it may be current response, it will be changed if there are element that is energy storage element, it will be present. Okay, so see, in that previous lecture we already discussed about how the behavior of the inductor as well as how the behavior of the capacitor as well as resistor, we have already discussed in the previous lecture. So we will overlook on that. First of all, we will overlook on that, and then we will see the problem related to that. In that, the initial condition, so element with initial condition, that is if resistance, it will be initial condition, it will be like this. Then at t is equals to 0 plus, that means just after switching condition, the resistance, it will be act as it is. Okay, then the initially the inductor, it will be like this. Initially the inductor, it will be like this. There is a no current flowing from inductor, that is current flowing from inductor, it will be 0. So at that situation, this inductor at a t is equals to 0 plus, that means just after switching, just before switching, it can be represented by 0 minus, just after switching, it can be represented by 0 plus, and for time t greater than 0. So network, for time t greater than 0, it is nothing but steady state network. Now, if the current flowing from inductor with initially it is 0, then at a t is equals to 0 plus, this inductor, it will be act as an open circuit. In case of capacitor, so there is no voltage across capacitor, that is voltage across capacitor, it will be 0 initially. So voltage V is equals to 0 initially, that means capacitor is uncharged initially. Then at t is equals to 0 plus, the capacitor, it will be act as a short circuit, it will act as a direct short circuit. Then if there are current flowing from that inductor madhun jar current flow hot asen, then this inductor, it will be act as a current source of I0 ampere at t is equals to 0 plus. 0 plus la to I0 ampere sa current act will. Then if there are voltage, it will be present across capacitor च्या across initially voltage present ahe, that is V0. Then this capacitor, it will be act as a voltage source at t is equals to 0 plus. T is equals to 0 plus la, these are the element behavior. So these are the element behavior of this inductor, resistor, then capacitor, with current flowing, without current flowing, and with voltage, without voltage. Okay, so these are the initial condition. Similarly, we have discussed about the final condition. Okay, similarly we have discussed about the final condition. So in that, the final condition, it will be like this. The final condition, the resistor with initial condition, final condition, or we can call it as a steady state condition. Okay, already I have told to you, that is steady state condition, it is nothing but t is equals to infinity, time t is equals to infinity. Suppose switch is closed for a long time, it is nothing but for infinity time, or switch is opened for a long time. So this sentence, long time sentence, is nothing but steady state condition, or time t is equals to infinity. Long time, it is nothing but time t is equals to infinity. So at that situation, you use this condition. Okay, now see, initially the resistor, it will be as like this resistor, it will be act as a resistor as it is for t is equals to infinity. T is equals to infinity ला तो as it is act will. Then in case of inductor, there are no current flowing from inductor initially. So at t is equals to infinity, this inductor, it will be act as a short circuit. Okay, this will be directly act as a short circuit. Then in case of capacitor, there are no voltage across capacitor initially. Then at t is equals to infinity, this capacitor, it will be act as an open circuit. Then in case of inductor, if there are current flowing from inductor, that is I0 ampere current, it will be flowing from this inductor. So at t is equals to infinity, this inductor, it will be act as a short circuited terminal across a current source. Current source across short circuited terminal. Then the voltage across capacitor, it will be present. That is V0 voltage across a capacitor, it will be present. So initially, then at a t is equals to infinity, this capacitor, it will be act as a voltage source in a series with that of open circuited terminal, or open circuited terminal in a series with that of voltage source. So these are the behavior of the element, that is network element, in case of switching condition. Switching condition la behavior aseल. So this behavior we have already discussed. I think we have discussed in 3-4 times. So you all of you know this behavior. Okay, so I think you all are understand this behavior. Now we will move through the problem which are asked in the GATE examination. I think we have already taken one problem in the previous class. So but due to some mistake in that problem, we have not got answer. Okay, now see, all of you write this problem in the circuit shown in the figure below. All of you write this problem and read it carefully, what has to be given and what are the condition of switch it can be represented. All of you read this problem carefully. ओके, और लिहून झाला का प्रॉब्लेम? हॅलो, हॅलो, प्लीज गिव मी रिप्लाय. हॅलो, प्लीज गिव मी रिप्लाय. Okay, so see, read the problem carefully. In the circuit shown in figure below, the switch S2 has been closed for a long time. This switch S2, it is closed for a long time. Okay, so this switch, it is closed for a long time. At the time t is equals to 0, the switch S1 is closed. Okay, at the time t is equals to 0, t is equals to 0 time la, that is t is equals to 0 time la, switch S1 काय केले, close केले. Now at t is equals to 0 plus, the rate of change of current through the inductor in ampere we want to determine, that is di divided by dt, di divided by dt we want to determine. Okay, question बघा, question काय विचारलेलं आहे. Now see the switch, there are two switches given. Okay, दोन switch दिलेले आहेत. In that the switching action can be done for only one switch. Okay, फक्त switching action जी आहे ती एका switchलाच केलेली आहे. That means switch position changing from open to close, it is nothing but S1. The switch S2, it is as it is for a long time. त्याच्यामध्ये काही चेंज केलेलं नाहीये. Okay, that means it is like as a short circuited terminal or it may be continuously closed. ते जे आहे ते continuously close असेल. So for your confusion, it will be given the switch S2. Okay, now see the at t is equals to 0, the switch S1 it is closed. At t is equals to 0 la switch S1 close केले. So before switching action, the position of switch S1 is, before switching action is nothing but at t is equals to 0 minus. 0 minus la switch ची position काय असेल?
Open.
At t is equals to, t is equals to 0 minus, the switch is open. Okay, the switch is open. Now at t is equals to 0 minus, the switch is open, so that this voltage source, it will be not act to the this inductor, that means behavior of the inductor. So initially the current flowing from inductor, इकडलं याच्यामधून फ्लो होणारा करंट 0 असेल या लूप मधून, बिकॉज इट इज ओपन सर्किटेड टर्मिनल, बट या लूप मधून करंट फ्लो होतोय. ओके, सो द करंट, सम करंट इट विल बी फ्लोइंग फ्रॉम दिस लूप, इट इज नथिंग बट सम करंट फ्लोइंग फ्रॉम इंडक्टर. या इंडक्टर मधून काहीतरी करंट फ्लो होतोय. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॅल्क्युलेट दॅट करंट फ्लोइंग थ्रू द इंडक्टर. इंडक्टर मधून फ्लो होणारा किंवा याच्यामधून फ्लो होणारा करंट किती असेल? इनिशियली द करंट फ्लोइंग फ्रॉम इंडक्टर, t is equals to 0 minus la switch, it is open circuited. So this it will be act as a काय म्हणणं act will initial condition ला, either it is short circuit or it is open circuit. Switch S1 मुळे याच्यामध्ये काही चेंज होतोय का? नाहीये. But here it is switch S2 for a long time it is closed, so that some of the current it will be flowing from that is nothing but it will be act as a short circuit. So here final condition use करावी लागेल. So some of the current it will be flowing from this loop. या loop मधून काहीतरी current flow होईल. So we calculate this current calculate करा, just apply KVL to that loop. त्या loop ला KVL apply केला. So this KVL equation or apply KVL to the mesh. According to this, suppose I have represented the current flowing in clockwise direction. याच्यामधून फ्लो होणारा करंट मी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन न कन्सिडर केला. सो आवर इक्वेशन इज दॅट -2i then -2i it is equals to 0. So according to this, -2i it is equals to 3. So we calculate the I of 0 minus, that is I of 0 minus, it is equals to 3 divided by 2. It is nothing but 1.5, but it is -1.5. Okay, so -1.5 I of 0 minus. I of 0 minus ची व्हॅल्यू मिळेल आपल्याला. It is equals to -0.5. Now at t is equals to 0 minus, if there are some of the current flowing through the inductor, at t is equals to 0 minus ला जर इंडक्टर मधून करंट फ्लो होत असेल, then at t is equals to 0 plus, this inductor it will be act as a current source when switch is closed, that is C. at t is equals to 0 plus, t is equals to 0 plus ला switch काय केलेलं आहे, S1 switch at t is equals to 0 plus, the switch S1 is closed. Switch S1 is closed. ओके, स्विच S1 क्लोज केलेलं आहे. इनिशियली त्या इंडक्टर मधून काहीतरी करंट फ्लो होतोय, सो दिस करंट इज नथिंग बट -1.5. So at t is equals to 0 plus, t is equals to 0 plus ला this inductor it will be act as a current source of -1.5. तो current source म्हणून act होईल. So I will draw a figure. Here it is one voltage source. Then this switch S1 it can be closed. So here it is one of the resistor. Then it will be act as a current source. At t is equals to 0 plus ला हा करंट सोर्स ऍक्ट होतोय. त्याच्यानंतर हिअर इट इज दिस स्विच, या स्विच मध्ये काय चेंज केलेलं आहे का, S2 मध्ये नाहीये. सो दिस विल बी ऍज इट इज. देन हिअर इट इज वन ऑफ द रेजिस्टर and here it is another one voltage source. Okay, so network it will be like this. Here it is 3 volt voltage, then 1 ohm of resistor, then 2 ohm of resistor and 3 volt voltage source. Okay, 3 volt voltage source. Current flowing from this, याच्यामधून फ्लो होणारा करंट जर मी डाउनवर्ड, हा आपला -1.5 कोणत्या डिरेक्शन आलेला आहे, डिरेक्शन कोणते या ब्रांच मधून, अपवर्ड डिरेक्शन. सो द अपवर्ड डिरेक्शन करंट इट इज नथिंग बट -1.5. जर डाउनवर्ड रिप्रेझेंट करत असाल तर इट इज +1.5 घ्यावा लागेल. ओके, सो डाउनवर्ड डिरेक्शन इट इज नथिंग बट -1.5. अपवर्ड डिरेक्शन तो -1.5 आहे. नाउ I of 0 plus, I of 0 plus, it is equals to -1.5. Okay, so current source म्हणून act will, so I will directly write I of 0 plus it is equals to -1.5. Now we want to calculate di of 0 plus divided by dt. At t is equals to 0 plus ला आपल्याला rate of change of current calculate करायचं, म्हणजे t is equals to 0 plus लाच calculate करायचं. So t is equals to 0 plus, we want to calculate di of 0 plus, rate of change of current calculate करायचं आहे, that is di of 0 plus divided by dt. It is equals to question mark. हा आपल्याला क्वेश्चन विचारलेला आहे. Now see here, suppose if I calculate the voltage of this node, या नोडचं जर मी voltage calculate केलं, then I have connected here inductor and if I have find out the current flowing from inductor. Okay, suppose here it is we use nodal analysis. In the previous lecture we have used KVL. So in that there are so lengthy and we want to calculate the current I1 and I2. So I use here nodal analysis. Just I will use here node analysis. Suppose I will represent here the voltage V of t. Okay, voltage V of t to that node. First of all, I will calculate the nodal voltage and then I will calculate the rate of change of current flowing through the inductor. Okay, see here it is V of t. Then choose the direction. Here it is down outward direction. Here it is away from that of junction. Now apply KCL to that of junction. या जंक्शनला किंवा write the KCL, apply KCL to node Phi of t. Phi of t ला KCL apply करा. Tell me the KCL equation. काय येईल KCL equation? सांगा. Hello. Tell me the KCL equation. Here it is V of t. We want to determine the KCL. We want to determine the V of t voltage by applying KCL or nodal analysis. So just represented the current direction. Incoming current is equals to outgoing current, or all the current meeting at a junction point it is equals to 0. Baga, these two are outgoing. So outgoing is equals to incoming लिहूया. So V of t minus 3 volt V of t minus 3 divided by V of t minus 3 divided by 1 ohm of resistor, then plus V of t minus, again here it is 3 V of t minus 3 divided by 2 ohm of resistor. So sum of incoming current, outgoing current ची sum घेतली is equals to sum of incoming current is nothing but minus 1.5. Okay, now see, now do the multiplication. Here it is denominator get same करा denominator. So here it is 2 न multiply करावे लागेल, इथं 2 न multiply करा, so that we will get the denominator same. So that means the 2 V of t, I will write here 2 V of t minus 6 plus V of t then minus 3 divide by 2 जो आहे denominator ला जो 2 आहे right hand side ला shift केला, so it becomes 1.5 into 2. 1.5 into 2 is nothing but minus 3. Okay, it is nothing but minus 3. Now 2 V of t minus 6 plus V of t minus 3 किती येईल? 2 V of t plus V of t is nothing but 3 V of t. Okay, 3 V of t minus 6 minus 3, it is nothing but minus 9. It is equals to minus 3. Just shift this minus 9 to the right hand side, it becomes plus 9. So minus 3 plus 9, it is equals to 6. 3 V of t, it is equals to 6. So depending upon that, V of t is equals to, V of t it is equals to kiti 6 divided by 3. Hello, V of t is equals to 6 divided by 3. Kidil
2.
2. Okay, so it is equals to 2. Now see here, we have calculated for t is equals to 0 plus, or it may be t greater than 0. We have calculated the value of V of t. V of t ची value calculate केली आपण, that is इथं V of t ची value आलेली 2. Okay, now I will draw the figure. Otherwise I will write here also. See, in that figure I will represent in that figure. Now see, okay, this switch is closed. हे switch close आहे. Then इथं आपण इथली value calculate केली, so this value is becomes V of t. Okay, इथली value V of t आहे. Then current flowing from this, current flowing from this, and current flowing from this. So I want to calculate the rate of change of current flowing from this inductor. या inductor मधून flow होणारा current calculate करायचा आहे at t is equals to 0 plus. ही जी value V of t ची calculate केली आहे, तो ती 0 plus लाच calculate केली ना आपण. Hello, we have calculated this value at 0 plus. 0 plus ला calculate केले आहे. I want to calculate the current flowing from this and rate of change of this current. Okay, now see the voltage across inductor. Inductor च्या across चे voltage काय असेल? P of t it is equals to inductor च्या across चे voltage. Voltage across inductor काय formula?
Minus LDI upon dt.
मायनस एल का प्लस एल असतं? मायनस नसतं त्याच्यामध्ये. L di by dt. So formula I have just asked the formula. V of t it is equals to L di by dt. Okay, L di divided by dt. Now I am having an V of t. माझ्याकडे V of t ची value आहे, because this voltage is nothing but voltage across this. So I am having an value V of t. So V of t ची value 2 आहे. Put the value of L. L ची value किती आहे? 1 Henry and di upon dt. Di divided by dt. So see, di divided by dt at 0 plus di divided by dt have one इकडे divide केलं, so di divided by dt at 0 plus it is equals to 2. di divided by dt at 0 plus, it is equals to 2 ampere per second. So this is the solution of this given problem. Getting? Hello? लक्षात आलं का? Okay. So see, I of di upon dt at 0 plus ला calculate करायचंय. So that we have calculated at 0 plus v of t. मी v of t calculate केलं म्हणजे voltage त्या node चे calculate केलं. According to that node voltage, I have calculated the current flowing through the inductor. त्या inductor मधून flow होणारा current calculate केला. So its value, it becomes 2 ampere per second. And solution, it can be given answer, it is varies from 1.9 to 2.1 ampere per second. So our 2 ampere per second answer, it is correct answer. Okay. Getting? Is there any doubt? समजला का? Hello. All of you getting this? Please give me reply. Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. लिहून घेतलं का हे? लिहून घ्या. We will go through the next one. Can I rub this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write the next one problem. It is also GATE exam problem. It is asked in the GATE examination previous year. So all of you write this. All of you write this problem. Up to that, I will take attendance. और झालं का? हेलो. और Please give me reply.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see, read the question carefully. A series RL circuit, it is excited at t is equals to 0. म्हणजे t is equals to 0 ला series excited RL circuit जे आहे ते excite केलेलं आहे, that means switch हे close केलेलं आहे at t is equals to 0. That means before that the switch is open. Now by closing a switch as shown in figure, assuming zero initial condition, so all initial condition assume this is zero initial condition, and find the value of d square I upon dt square at t is equals to 0 plus. At t is equals to 0 plus ला d square I upon dt square च्या value calculate करायचे and choose the correct option from this given option. There are option are given A, B, C and D, and we want to choose the option A, B, C, D, whichever is correct. Okay. Now, for analyzing or for solving the network, first of all, understand the given question. Initially, the switch is open. That means at t is equals to 0 minus, t is equals to 0 minus, the switch is open. T is equals to 0 minus, the switch is open, so that current flowing from inductor. Inductor मधून flow होणारा current किती असेल? T is equals to 0 minus, the switch is open, so current flowing from 0 inductor, that is I of 0 minus. I of 0 minus किंवा IL of 0 minus किती?
0.
0. आणि इथं सेंटेन्स पण दिलेलं आहे बघा, assuming zero initial condition, so that I of 0 minus is equals to 0. Similarly, at t is equals to 0 plus, I of 0 plus is equals to, I of 0 plus किती असेल?
0.
Again it is 0. Okay, because there are no current flowing from inductor initially. At t is equals to 0 plus, this inductor it will be act as an open circuit. Again there are, this circuit is open, so that current flowing from that is nothing but 0. Okay, now network for t greater than 0. T greater than 0 साठी network येईल. Here it is voltage source of V. Then here it is one of the resistor, switch is closed, resistor, and here it is inductor. And current flowing from this is nothing but I. Okay, I of t or I, phi, R, and L. Now apply the KVL. Just apply the KVL and find out d square I upon dt square. So just apply KVL. Write the KVL equation. Tell me KVL equation. Negative to positive. So here it is V minus R into I. Then minus voltage across inductor. Inductor च्या across voltage. काय असतो फॉर्म्युला? L di divided by dt. Value of inductor is nothing but L di divided by dt. It is equals to 0. Now rearrange this equation. Just rearrange this. So shift this term L di by dt to the right hand side. So it becomes L di divided by dt. L di divided by dt. It is equals to V minus R into I divided by L. Now separate out this L. Sorry, I will take L in the next step. Otherwise, you will shift this L to the right hand side also. L right hand side la shift केलं, so it becomes, it is divided here. Now di divided by dt, it is equals to, separate denominator to all, that is V divided by L, P divided by L, or just that is write V divided by L or minus R I divided by L. Just kept as it is. Okay, V divided by Ri divided by L. Okay, now see, we want to calculate d square I upon dt square. D square I upon dt square calculate करायचं आहे. So for calculating d square I upon dt square, just differentiate this equation. Suppose this is equation 1. Differentiate this equation. So take a differentiation on both sides. D square I upon dt square. Then next is equals to chi in P divided by L, derivative